Want to publish your store on Shopify? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to publish Shopify store. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to shopify.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now, click on the online store option. Here, if you click on view your store, you can view how your store appears to your customers. Now, if you want to publish your store, then click on the preferences option. Once you get here, you want to add in a home page title. This is how your customers can search your page. If you want, you can put in a meta description as well. Now, enter your password over here. Now, you will find the option restrict access to visitors with the password. Make sure to uncheck this box. Once you uncheck it, anyone will be able to view your store. Now go ahead and click on the save option. Now if you want, you can change other things such as country, region, languages. Then go ahead and click on the save option. Once you do that, your store will be successfully published, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.